Hi, I'm Kelly on Metta, and today I'm going to show you how to make dinner biscuits. Biscuits are universal. There's so many great recipes, and the best part about it, you can put so many different things in them to make them unique and all to your own. Today's recipe is actually going to be made with cream cheese. Really, really rich, but really, really good too. 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 ounces of the cube ice cold butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese cut into cubes as well, pulse it, so notice the texture, it's crumbly, mealy. So now you take your flour mixture and 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of buttermilk and slowly start to turn it. Now you want to mix it so the dough starts to come together. Make sure you're getting all the way down to the bottom. It's going to be a little sticky, but when you roll it, it'll all come together when you add a little more flour as you need it. See how it's starting to come together now? So put some flour down, roll it onto your area. So you always have to put a little bit more flour, especially with the cream cheese recipe. It makes it a little stickier. So we're going to work it a little bit so it all comes together. So it's starting to come together now, just a little bit more. You're going to cut these into pieces. I like to kind of come right underneath it so it keeps it from sticking. And you can cut them into 4 or 5 pieces based on how big you want to make it. The key to these biscuits is not to overwork it. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to make them smooth. Allowing for little air pockets from the butter not being incorporated really makes a nice flaky pastry.